The following figure shows the journey of a car from A to C through B. What is the distance traveled by the car? 140. What is the displacement? 130. Second, the following figure shows the journey of a cyclist from P to R through Q. What is the distance traveled by the cyclist? 90. What is the displacement? 90. Find the situation in which magnitude of distance and displacement become equal. Answer: car moving in a straight road, launching of a rocket. Activity 2. Speed is the distance traveled in unit time. If a body in motion covers equal distance in equal interval of time, the body is said to have uniform speed. If a body in motion covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, the body is said to have non-uniform speed. Observe the figure given below showing the distance traveled by a car during the time of interval. Calculate the speed of the car in each time. AB, distance 8 time 4, speed 2. BC, distance 20 time 4, speed 5. CD, distance 32 time 4, speed 8. In the speed of the car, uniform or non-uniform? Non-uniform. Calculate the average speed of the car. 60 by 12 is equal to 5 meter by second. Activity 3. Acceleration is the rate of changing in velocity. Physical quantities are classified into scalar quantity and vector quantities. Quantities having only magnitude are called scalar quantity. Quantity having both magnitude and direction are called vector quantities. The velocity of a moving object changes from 20 meter by second to 60 meter by second in 10 seconds. A question: what is the initial velocity of the object? Answer: 20 meter by second. B question: what is the final velocity of object? 60 meter by second. What is change in velocity of the object? 40 meter by second. D question: calculate the acceleration of the object. U is equal to 20 meter by second, V is equal to 60 meter by second, T is equal to 10. 9 is equal to V minus U by T. 9 is equal to 60 minus 20 by 10 is equal to 4 by 10 is equal to 4 meter by second. E question: velocity is a vector quantity in acceleration, a scalar or a vector. F. Write 2 examples for scalar quantities. Speed, distance. Activity 4. Acceleration occurs when the velocity of an object increases and retardation occurs when the velocity of an object decreases. Retardation is the rate change in velocity when the velocity decreases. A question: find whether acceleration or retardation that occurs in the following situation and write it down in the table. The motion of a coconut falling from a coconut tree, the motion of stone thrown up, a ball rolling on a level ground, a train starting from the station. Situation in which acceleration occurs: falling of coconut, train starting from a station. Situation in which retardation occurs: motion of stone thrown up, ball rolling on a level ground. B question: in which unit is retardation expressed? Meter by second raised to.